Most people think building a website takes weeks, but with AI, you can launch one before your next coffee break. Choosing the right tool feels like falling into a rabbit hole of complicated editors, clunky templates, and wasted hours. I've gone deep into the world of AI website builders and narrowed it down to 7 tools that actually work, fast, simple, and powerful enough to support real projects. Whether you're launching a side hustle, building your brand, or just tired of clunky design tools, these platforms are built to help you create faster and smarter. If you're a freelancer, student, solopreneur, or anyone trying to get online without the tech headache, this is for you. After exploring dozens of tools and building different workflows, these are the ones that consistently made life easier. Number 7. Durable. Let's kick this off with a tool that might actually blow your mind. Durable is an AI website builder that creates an entire site for you in under 60 seconds. Not a wireframe, not a placeholder, a real working website. And if you've ever stared at a blank screen trying to figure out where to start, you know that's half the battle. Durable solves that by removing friction right at the beginning. Here's how it works. You answer a few simple questions, your business name, what you do, the vibe you want, then Durable instantly builds a site that's not just functional, but customized to your niche. But it doesn't stop there. Durable also gives you AI-powered business tools, a built-in CRM, automated invoicing, and even content writing help. That means you're not just getting a site, you're getting a starter kit for running your business online. No need for plugins, no need for extra plugins, just launch and go. And yes, there's a free plan. And yes, it's ridiculously easy to use, even if you've never touched a website builder before. If you're the type who wants to stop planning and just start, Durable is your fast track from idea to online. Number 6. 10Web. If you've ever tried to build a site with WordPress, you already know. It's powerful, but it can feel like wrangling 100 moving parts. 10Web flips that experience on its head. It's an AI-powered builder that gives you all the flexibility of WordPress, minus the chaos. Here's how it works. You just describe your business, and 10Web uses AI to generate a complete, ready-to-edit WordPress site. From layout to text to images, it's all there, built for your niche. You can then customize everything using a drag-and-drop interface, no coding required. But what really makes 10Web stand out is what's under the hood. It includes AI content writing, smart image suggestions, and lightning-fast hosting that can seriously improve load times and SEO. You get all the back-end power of WordPress, plugins, themes, control without needing to babysit every setting or troubleshoot broken layouts. It's a perfect fit for freelancers, marketers, or creators who want control over their site without constantly fixing things. It's a free trial to play around with, and it's especially strong if SEO is part of your strategy. If you love WordPress but hate the mess, 10Web gives you the best of both worlds without the plugin burnout. Number 5. Site 123. Let's be real. Sometimes too many choices can kill your momentum. That's where Site 123 comes in. It's one of the most straightforward AI-powered website builders out there, built specifically for people who just want to get online without overthinking everything. Instead of dumping a blank editor on you, Site 123 walks you through a step-by-step process. You choose your site category, pick a base design, and then the AI gives you content and layout suggestions tailored to what you're building. Everything happens in a straight line. No detours, no rabbit holes. This kind of guided setup is a game changer if you've ever quit halfway through building a site because it got too overwhelming. Site 123 keeps things moving. You're never stuck wondering what to do next. It also checks a lot of practical boxes. There's a free plan, it supports multiple languages, and it's optimized for mobile right out of the gate. This is the tool for no-code users, students, or small business owners who don't want to make 37 design decisions before lunch. If you tend to get stuck tweaking every little detail, Site 123 just handles it and keeps you focused on finishing. Number 4. Shopify Plus AI Tools. Selling online isn't just about having a website, it's about what's on it. That's where Shopify's AI tools seriously level up the game. Because let's face it, writing product descriptions and even collections, even crafting emails, it all takes way too much time and creative energy most of us don't have to spare. Now, Shopify handles that. With its built-in AI features, you can generate product copy, blog posts, and email subject lines right inside the platform. No switching tabs, no blank cursor blinking at you. It's all part of Shopify's ecosystem, which means you're not just building a store, you're building a selling machine. Add your product, describe it in a sentence or two, and the AI takes it from there. And since it's Shopify, you also get the tools to manage inventory, take payments, and connect with third-party platforms, all in one dashboard. You can try it free and it scales easily whether you're launching a single product or running a full catalog. If you're focused on sales but don't want to spend hours writing copy, Shopify's AI helps you build faster and sell smarter without the burnout. Number 3. Divi AI by Elegant Themes. Sometimes the hardest part of building a site isn't the setup, it's making it look good. That's where Divi AI comes in. It's a powerful visual builder for WordPress that now includes built-in AI to help with both content and design, right inside the editor. You start by dragging and dropping your layout like usual, but as you build, Divi's AI starts offering personalized suggestions. It helps you fill in headers, write body text, and even choose layouts that fit your niche. No need to bounce between tools or stare at blank sections. It feels more like you're working with a creative partner than just a piece of software. And because Divi is already one of the most loved WordPress builders, you get full control over the visual side, while the AI handles the parts that slow you down. It's especially useful if you have a strong vision but don't want to wrestle with code or dig through theme settings for hours. Perfect for portfolio sites, creative brands, or anyone who values style just as much as function. Divi AI helps you build with confidence and makes your site look like it was done by a pro without hiring one. Number 2. Hosting your website builder powered by Zero AI. Let's say you've got a tight budget, but you still want your site to look like you hired someone to build it. Hostinger's website builder powered by Zero AI is built exactly for that. It's one of the most affordable tools out there, but it still delivers smart, polished results. This is perfect for side hustlers, freelancers, or early-stage founders who don't want to spend $30 a month just to get a homepage live. Here's how it works. The AI helps you write your copy, generate logos, organize layouts, and even create a brand message, all inside one interface. You don't need a design background or a writing degree. Just plug in your info and let the AI handle the heavy lifting. What makes Hostinger stand out is how balanced it feels. It's easy enough for beginners, but still flexible if you want to fine-tune your site. You get clean designs, fast load times, and a setup process that's genuinely stress-free. It's ideal for creators who want progress without the price tag or the learning curve. If you're building something small but want it to look pro, Hostinger hits that sweet spot of quality and simplicity. Number 1. Wix with Wix AI plus Wix AI tools. Wix has been around for a while, and there's a reason it keeps showing up on lists like this. But now it's got a serious upgrade. With Wix AI, that's artificial design intelligence. You can build a complete website just by answering a few quick questions. No dragging, no guessing. The AI handles layout, structure, and even starter content in minutes. Then once your site is live, you can tap into Wix's new AI tools to tweak the copy, adjust images, and even optimize for search engines. It's a full-stack builder that now thinks with you. The best part? You're never locked in. You get AI suggestions, but you stay in control. Want to change the layout? Easy. Want to rewrite a section? Just ask the AI. Wix also comes with a massive template library, a smart SEO assistant, and yes, there's a free plan so you can build before you commit. It's perfect for creators who want things to look polished, but don't want to mess with code or spend hours tweaking behind the scenes. Wix is like your website building co-pilot, fast, smart, and surprisingly flexible. These AI website builders aren't just fast. They're designed to help you move from stuck to launch without needing a developer, designer, or hours of frustration. Whether you want something simple and quick or you're building a full online store, there's a tool on this list that can match your pace and your budget. Now I want to hear from you. Which one are you most excited to try? Or is there one you've already used that surprised you? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone. And if this video helped you out, give it a like and hit that subscribe button. I've got more practical AI tools and productivity strategies coming every single week. The future of building online isn't just about learning code. It's about working smarter. So whether you're launching your first portfolio or scaling your 5th side hustle, now you've got the tools to move faster, look more professional, and actually get things done. You've got this. I'll see you in the next one.